Hello my people, welcome to Kiel in Germany. As you see, I'm here walking back to the boat called Colorline to take me back to Norway in Oslo. So the town was not so funny because it rained and rained. It was summer but it looked like winter because the rain, it was windy, rainy, and it was very cold. So I didn't stay long because I took a boat on Tuesday from Oslo. Then I had to go back the following day. The boat goes from Tuesday to Oslo. Every day at 2 o'clock. It takes 20 hours because the boat goes just having fun, relaxing, and enjoying the relaxing. So now I'm here waiting for the green light for me to cross over the other side so that I walk back to the boat so I can go back to Norway. As you see, the restaurants are closed. I think it was still early. Was it still early? No, it wasn't so early that the restaurants were closed. Now we are all those people you see they've been shopping in Kiel. We are now taking the boat back to Norway. The boat will be departing from the Kiel at 2 o'clock. So at this time it was around 13:15, so we have to hurry up because they always close. And that's the boat you see in the video. It's called the Caroline Fantasy. It's very huge, very big, and it has so many activities on the boat, so you can enjoy non-stop. In fact, me when I came, I didn't even sleep because so beautiful inside and so nice. But if you really want to come to Kiel, it's really closed. The shops are closed on Sundays, but they are always open